Hey, what's up everybody, Tim Lion here and welcome to my new YouTube channel, welcome to my new first video. And I'm actually a tech YouTuber regarding to Apple, but I used to make my videos in different language, but I decided to go on my YouTube career on English language as well. In this channel, there will be such videos as how-tos regarding to Apple and technology. There's gonna be tutorial videos, there's gonna be application reviews regarding to iOS. So all the stuff I hope that will be very useful for you. And today, this video I decided to dedicate to very popular question: how to set any song as a ringtone on your iPhone. It's gonna be dedicated namely to iOS 16. Today is 12th of November 2022, and by today I'm gonna show you the easiest way how to make it. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, in order to set any song as a ringtone to your iPhone, you don't need any computer, you just need your iPhone. So what we're gonna do, I go to Safari and I need to choose any song that I would like to put it as a ringtone. So it's the intro XX. I'm just randomly downloading it from internet, download it. So it's gonna download this music to my Files app right now. Let's go to downloads here. Let's just wait till it downloads. Alright guys, it's already downloaded, and what we're gonna do next, we just need to open a GarageBand, which is a native application of iOS 16, and we need to go to audio recorder here. And then we press this button over here. You can see that? Right, after that we need to press plus over here. Alright, plus. And then I will need to put here 30 seconds because our music will last 30 seconds maximum. After that, after you do that, you press this button over here. After that, we need to browse items from Files app. I press here, I choose the music from here, which is the intro XX. It should appear here, and then I just get it, drag and drop it here. And we now can adjust this song as we wish. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. After that, what we're gonna do, we press this button over here and we press to My Songs. It's saving, and then we need to press and hold. After that, press to share and set it as a ringtone. Continue. Let's just give a name. The intro XX. Export. Exporting as a ringtone. Let's just wait. Ringtone export successful. We press OK, and then we go out, we go to settings, we go to sounds and haptics, ringtone, and as we can see, it's working, guys, it's working. I hope this video is gonna help you guys how to set up any song as a ringtone on your iPhone. So you just go to Safari, you just go to internet, you just download any song from there, you save it to Files app, and then you do the manipulation that I have just showed you on GarageBand application. It's completely free. You just go to App Store and download it, and that's it. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, please leave one comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, guys. I need your support. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.